In this video, we're going to go over how to create and manage social media posts using the Social Planner tool. Start by navigate to Marketing on the left menu bar, and then select the Social Planner tab on top. Here, you'll see the different social media accounts that can be connected to your account. You will need to connect each social media account you would like to post content to. To connect an account, click Connect. This will open a screen where you can authenticate and connect your social media account. Once your accounts are connected, you'll be able to view your planner. This shows previously published content as well as upcoming scheduled posts. In the upper right-hand corner, you can add additional social accounts or click New Planner Post to create content. You can upload posts from CSV files, use pre-built templates, or have AI help create content for you. Let's click Create New Post. First, select the social media accounts you would like the content published to. You can select one social platform, many, or all to create your content on. You can either type your content out in the Type Content box or click the purple AI button to have AI generate the post for you. If you're using AI to generate your content, it will ask you to select the language, tone of voice, type out a key message, and to write down the goal of your post. This information helps your AI employee generate good content for you to approve. You can also select the number of variations you'd like generated. Once you're done, click Generate, and the planner will create content options for you to review. You can edit the content on the right or browse through the variations on the left and select the version you prefer. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Next, add your images or videos. You can either generate images using AI or upload existing media from your computer, phone, or camera. If you're generating an image using AI, give a description of your image and select the number of variations you'd like to receive. Once you have your content, media, and selected platforms, you can preview how the post will appear on each channel. For example, if Facebook is selected, you can preview the Facebook post as well as your Google Business Profile post. You can also create follow-up comments, as well as add calls to action, such as promotional offers or coupon codes. Once everything looks good, you can save the post as a draft, publish it immediately, or schedule it for a future date and time. After creating content, you can use the content calendar to view all scheduled posts. You can also add content directly to specific dates by clicking on the calendar, making it easy to plan holiday promotions, seasonal campaigns, and recurring content. You can view all scheduled posts, recurring content, comments, engagement metrics, and activity across your connected channels. You can also monitor impressions, post performance, and engagement by channel, helping you understand which content is performing best. Under Social Listening, there is a Trending section which allows you to view current trends and create content that aligns with popular topics and engagement opportunities. Finally, you can manage settings such as image watermarking, connecting additional social accounts, and configuring settings for each connected channel. That's how you create and manage social media posts using the Social Planner. Thanks for watching.